I am standing here in front of Piab Group's new Canton facility on Energy Drive. A little perspective, we're still very close to Boston, but we've moved from our Hingham office, which we had been in for over 20 years. We have now moved into what they call the technology loop of Boston, so really excited about that. And we have completely upgraded our capabilities with our customers in mind. So we have expanded training capacity and training capabilities. We have a footprint for exceptional labs in vacuum conveying and vacuum automation. We have now a very efficient warehouse and operations center and a very collaborative open work environment. So an excited crew to move in and get going on our full potential plan, and this is really the first big step. Take a look inside.